How to fix Snapchat phone ban. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat login, or if you're trying to log into your Snapchat account and if you're not being able to log into it, then first you need to restart your device. So simply hold on to that power button, and here you will get a restart option. Simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. But after restarting, if your problem doesn't fix, then you can open up your settings, and after opening, scroll down and go for apps, and under your apps you can open up your Snapchat application. And once you open your Snapchat on your settings, you can go for storage and cache, and here you can go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache on your Snapchat, now your problems will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that, and you can open up your Play Store, and you can go for the search bar and search for Snapchat. And once you search for Snapchat, now if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply go for update and update your application. And once you update your application, your problems will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your problems with the Snapchat phone ban. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.